Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to see what's going to happen for Capricorns in their love life in month of July. Okay, let's focus. It's going to be a general reading, so it's not going to resonate with everyone out there. Just keep that in mind. And this is specifically a love reading. Okay, this is not about career, finances, or any other things. This is just specifically about love life. What's going to happen for Capricorns in their love life in July? Let's see. What's going to happen for Capricorns in their love life in July 2020? Son of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Swords. Two of Swords. Ace of Swords, Son of Swords in reverse, Mother of Swords. A lot of Swords energy you might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, you might be dealing with another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is Capricorns. It is quite possible in July you might come across with your person feeling conflicted, your person being confused between two situations, two people. Okay. Or it is quite possible that if your person was quite confused and conflicted, not being able to take any action, not being able to decide what he or she wants, then in month of July they are possibly coming out of the conflict, coming out of the confusion. Okay, I'm also seeing your person coming out of third party situation. If in past you were dealing with a person who was tied to someone else, or maybe conflicted between you and the other person, then they are surely coming out of the third party situation. Okay, I'm also seeing there is an age gap between you and your person. There might be age gap. Okay, actually the person you are dealing with is quite immature. Okay, they are quite immature in their actions, in their feelings, in their thoughts. I'm also seeing this person, if they were not focusing on this relationship, if they were not prioritizing this relationship, then they will look into this relationship with a new perspective overall. Okay, a lot of action is what I'm seeing in July. If you have not heard from your person, you might hear from your person in July, or you might want to take action for this person. Okay, you will contact them, or maybe they will contact you. Till now I think either one of you, either you or your person, your focus was on career, on finances, on your own life. Maybe you were kind of feeling stuck in your day-to-day life, your responsibilities. Then you will distract yourself, and either your person or you might come to a realization that no, you need this person in your life. Okay, so some sort of realization is what I'm seeing for you in July. I'm also seeing a new start, a fresh new start with this Ace of Swords. It might be possible that if you or your person was neglecting a situation, not quite looking into the situation, not quite taking action, just sitting and waiting for the other person to take action, now is the time when your person or you will start taking action, will start looking at this relationship with a whole new perspective. Okay, I'm definitely seeing a lot of Capricorns, you are going to reconcile with your partner. going to give your relationship a new chance, ending third party situations, ending all the conflicts. Your person, if this is your person who was dealing with the third party situation and they were not choosing you over the other person, then I'm definitely seeing this person choosing you over the other person. They might come out of this conflict, come out of this third party situation and start considering this relationship. Okay. A lot of you or your person, whomsoever was not quite sure about taking this relationship to the next level or not quite serious about this relationship, will start taking this relationship quite seriously now. Okay. Direct actions, direct communication, heart to heart communication is what I'm seeing here for Capricorns in July. Okay. Let's pull out some more cards. I'm definitely seeing your person coming out of third party situation, coming out of conflict, coming out of confusion, and just putting their swords down and coming back to you. Okay, let's pull out some more cards. What's happening for Capricorns in July? Their love life. Okay, I don't want these many cards, so let's see. The Emperor, Eight of Summer, and the Empress in reverse. What I'm seeing here is Capricorns, a lot of you were in ego, or your person was in ego. Okay, not coming out of this ego, not responding to the other person, but I'm definitely seeing them coming back with an open heart, not putting forth their ego. Okay, I'm definitely seeing someone who was an ego will come out of this ego and start considering you. Okay, with this Empress card, I'm definitely seeing someone strategizing, planning and coming back to you, seeing how things to how to work on things, how to bring together, how to how to tackle these issues in the relationship is what I'm seeing here. Okay, I'm definitely seeing your person is dropping their swords and coming back to you. They want you. They are realizing that they have nothing. They have nothing if they don't have you. Okay, in past maybe you or this person was ignoring the other person, which was out of ego maybe. Okay, or maybe you wanted to focus more on your career, but now as the time passes, your person will realize that they have nothing if they don't have you. Okay, with this Eight of Summer, the desire for a more meaningful life, realizing that it's time to move on, choosing to make major life. I'm definitely seeing your person taking major decisions, moving out of the third party situations, choosing you over the other person. If they were denying you or maybe you were denying them, definitely whoever this was, they will drop their swords and come back to you. Okay, all they need is love. I'm definitely seeing someone coming back to you, Capricorn. Okay, and if you were not allowing the other person with this Empress in the reverse, you have to give them a chance. You have to consider them. Time to take action, the power of creativity, success that allows for a life luxury. I'm definitely seeing someone was denying this relationship, either it was you or this person, but now some of many of you, your person will be quite accepting of this relationship. Okay, let's see what advice do we have for Capricorn. So in July, many of your partners are going to come back to you. They are going to consider this relationship, give this relationship another chance is what I'm seeing here. If you haven't liked this video yet, please go and like this video. Okay, gratitude. Be grateful for abundance, live in appreciation. I think many of you, your partner was not quite appreciating what you brought to them, what you brought to their life. but now I think you or the other person will be quite grateful, quite, showing gratitude, showing love, showing care, showing affection for what you have, and more good things will come. So definitely I am seeing your person or you showing more appreciation and more love and affection openly to each other. Okay, so definitely if this is you, you need to be more grateful of things you are having in your life right now. Awareness, pay attention to subtitles, look with new eyes. There are signs and omens everywhere. Okay, I'm definitely seeing you need to be more aware of your choices. If this was you who was denying this relationship in the past, you need to be more aware. You need to look closely of what choices you are making. Okay, and there are signs everywhere. You just need to keep your eyes open. You need to be more aware, and you need to be more open to receive those signs. Okay, let's see one more card. Confidence. Be bold, rise up and stand tall, feel the fire in your soul. I'm definitely seeing you being confident, you being more open and more aware and more open to receive what this person has to offer you. So just be confident, just believe in this relationship, just be strong enough to face all the circumstances, because it was both of you who started this love. Okay, it was not like only one person loved the other person, it was mutual, right? So you both have to come together with confidence and face every obstacle. So this was it for Capricorns. I hope your July month goes as beautiful as this reading, and see you in next video.